Our showroom is looking a little empty, but there are multiple reasons for that.
Now, welcome back everybody to another YouTube video here on the Creative Bespoke YouTube channel. Thank you guys again for watching the last episode that we posted. That was going over pretty much a little shop update, showing you guys absolutely everything that was going on behind the scenes. But in today's video, you're gonna get a little bit more of what you missed out on this past week, right before the end of the year.
Now, what's outside is what's going to help me explain why our showroom is looking a little bit empty and what the next couple months will look like.
Like I was saying a little earlier, we do have a little surprise outside.
We have a third Mercedes G63. This one just got dropped off here at the shop. This one is going to be a very special G Wagon. Let me explain more. Now, this G Wagon is already a beautiful spec, but is going to look much better after the Creative Bespoke and Carlex touch. And all of the G63s that we build into the Carlex Vintage are always low miles. This one having only 31 miles on it. That is ridiculous.
This G Wagon behind me is going to be a 1 of 7 vintage configuration from Carlex.
This is going to turn into the Sabbia Vintage, an absolutely stunning vintage configuration offered by Carlex. There is only going to be 7 of these ever made.
Now, in Italian, I learned that this word actually translates to sand. So it's really cool how we have a tan two-tone paint with the Carlex Vintage. It is an absolutely beautiful vintage configuration that they have available.
When a car comes to us to get the transformation from the classic OEM style to the vintage Carlex configuration, everything on the exterior and the interior gets shipped to Poland to get reupholstered over there.
And while the interior gets shipped over to Poland, we dismantle absolutely everything on the exterior of the car. We paint everything in-house, we reassemble it so that by the time this car is done on the exterior, the interior from Poland will arrive back at the shop, and then we reassemble absolutely everything back together.
And that's how all of our Carlex G Wagons are built. Some upcoming builds here at Creative Bespoke. We have this beautiful Ferrari 812 GTS. If you take a look here on the inside, you notice that some of the interior is missing, and that's because it is going to be reupholstered. While we still need to take apart the exterior, this specific Ferrari 812 GTS is going to receive the Zikoi carbon wide body package. We did this one on a Ferrari 812 Superfast a little while ago.
We did that build for SEMA of 2024. That car was an absolute monster. It sold instantly. When it came back to our shop on a trade-in, it got sold instantly again. This car is in such high demand. The Zikoi carbon wide body package looks absolutely stunning on the Ferrari 812.
Now, if you're just like me and you love drop tops, this GTS is going to look so good, also fitted with the wide body package. So if you're interested in getting yourself into the craziest 812 GTS, this car is currently for sale with us right now. So if you're interested, give us a call before anybody else does. The interior is already with Javi in his room. You have the seats, the door cards already taken apart, as you can see. And what color or design we're gonna do, I can't quite tell you just yet, because this is going to be one crazy build. But all I can tell you is that
we can ensure you that this Ferrari 812 GTS, when it's completed, is going to look absolutely insane. And it's gonna sell really quick. So if you're interested, make sure you call us before anyone else does. Now, if you guys remember, we built a Mercedes S-Class a little while ago, and it sold to our good VIP client over in Florida, but we were building another one of those.
In front of me here, we have a beautiful Mercedes S580 that is receiving a forged carbon variant. We have over fenders that we have to put on here that go over this arc and the rear arc. We have this bumper that is going to go on the front end of this car with all new grills that go into these clips here. This is already painted. We're waiting for the hood and then the rear assembly process, and this thing will be all ready and hopefully be there for the Cars and Caviar event January 11th.
Like the G Wagon behind me that just got delivered, we have so many more projects and builds coming into the shop, and a lot of them are currently here right now. We do have an event coming up. It's Cars and Caviar, hosted at Cafe Monarch. We did this last year, but a little bit later into the year because of how the builds were lining up. But this year, we're doing it a little bit earlier than we did last year. Now on January 11th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. at Cafe Monarch in Scottsdale, I'll put the address right below me here. We are going to be doing an event where we're going to be revealing a bunch of our new builds. Now there will be a couple builds there that have been built for a while, and if you guys have not already seen, now is your chance to see them.
A lot of people's personal favorites right behind me, this beautiful wide body Rolls-Royce Dawn from Venom Black. This car should hopefully be there finished, obviously in this beautiful matte white paint, the crazy orange leather interior. Now, if you haven't already seen this thing in person, January 11th, make sure you're there.
Now, that's pretty much everything that is going on currently inside of the shop. We have 2 more vehicles on the way. Can't quite tell you what they are until they get here, but they're going to be absolutely phenomenal. Of course, getting completely modified and getting that true bespoke touch by us. Now, this video was a little short. I wanted to get straight to the point. We had a G Wagon delivered. We have a Ferrari A12 GTS getting the Zakoi wide body package. We have 2 G Wagons that are already getting the Carlex Vintage transformation. So that's 4 builds right there getting worked on currently in the shop, and we have 2 more on the way. If you guys want to see anything specific on the YouTube channel, please leave it down in the comments. I know there's still so much more to show. We're going to be posting a lot more on here, showing a lot more of the behind the scenes process, what we have to go through in order to get these cars built, to get these cars put together properly, as well as when the cars leave and get sold. We're going to show you guys absolutely every single process, bring you guys along with us here to the shows, and get you our perspective of how everything goes. With that being said, make sure you subscribe, make sure you have that post notification bell on so you don't miss any of the uploads that we post here. So with that being said, I'll see you guys again here in the very, very near future.